everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. It's me Shalini and I would like to welcome you to another very exciting episode of La Mesa L'Oreal Paris, your one-stop for everything beauty. And if you haven't already, please hit on the subscribe button and also the bell icon so you do not miss any updates from us. I have always believed that the one hairstyle that will never go out of style is the high ponytail. And just because this is a full-fledged video, don't think it's complicated. It is still one of the easiest hairstyles to achieve. And the best part is that this is super chic and you can use this for any event, and it is really easy to achieve as well. If this look has been on your mind for a while, then today I'm going to show you really simple steps on how you guys can achieve the perfect high ponytail by using just one product, which is L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. The product is mentioned in the description box in case you want to check it out. Now let's get started with the video. So I'm just going to take one drop. I'm going to massage this into my palms and fingers, and I'm going to run the fingers through my hair. Now this will really help in evenly distributing the serum into my hair as well. Also, one drop of this serum really nourishes my hair 10 times over because this has the goodness of flower oils that gives the hair brilliant shine. And as soon as you use it, you'll see the difference that it has really added softness and shine into my hair. And since I've already used the serum and it's made my hair really soft, it's given me that perfect base, so now I can start styling my hair into the perfect high ponytail. Now comb your hair out to remove any kind of knots and also give your hair that natural texture. And I do feel the serum has smoothened my hair quite a bit, and also the knots have become less. So now I'm just going to use my fingers and take all my hair towards the back. And I think it's become a lot easier because the serum has made my hair really soft and smooth. And moving my fingers through the hair has become a lot more manageable. If you want to use a comb, you can. So just take a comb and take all your hair towards the back. And after this, I would say avoid using a comb, just use your fingers. So keep running your fingers through your hair till you are happy with the entire look from the front. Before you can take everything into a ponytail, just pull on the top a little bit just so that it doesn't look too flat. You can also push your ponytail towards the front just to add volume. So once you're happy with the way it looks from the front and sides, take a rubber band and take all of it into a high ponytail. And as you're pulling on the ponytail, I would suggest just slightly tug on the base and pull your hair towards the front, just so that you get a puff sort of a thing in the front. And I like to pull the ponytail from all the angles so it really looks nice and voluminous. So I like how the ponytail is looking. Another thing you can do is take bobby pins. So I'm taking 2 bobby pins and I'm going to fit this into the base, taking the rubber band through it and push it into the hair, and I'll show you how to do that. So open up your pin, just pull the rubber band slightly up like this, take it through and take it into the hair. Now what this will do is, it'll keep your ponytail perky and it will stay like this through the day. It's not going to fall flat. A lot of times with the weight of the hair, your ponytail tends to fall flat, but with this trick, it's not going to fall flat. So in case your hair is thick, just use another bobby pin. Okay, so once that's done, I also like to push the hair upwards, and at this point you can also again apply the serum in your hands, and then you can just start playing around with the hair and it'll just add that volume and messiness into the hair. It just adds a lot of texture into your hair as well. Okay, so Once that's done, with the leftover serum, I'm just gonna apply this on the sides to clean it up. And I also like to pull some hair out just to frame my face a little bit. So my followers keep asking me, how does my hair look so good every time I do some styles and hairstyles and stuff? And the secret is to follow a good hair care routine. I make sure that I follow a good hair care routine and take care of my hair, and that really shows the benefits. The one beauty secret that I actually swear by, and I'm sure you guys will find it a little strange, it's using onion juice and curry leaves. So what I do is I heat it up, I infuse it for about a week, and I apply it to my scalp and hair. I leave it there for about 3 to 4 hours and I rinse it off. I do this once a week, and now this really helps in strengthening, nourishing, and it also adds shine into my hair. Now another tip that I can give you, in case you want to hide the rubber band on your ponytail, you can just wrap a strand of hair around it, and I'll show you how to do it. So take a small section on either side, about this much, and just wrap it around the base of the ponytail. I like to just wrap it once, and then I take a bobby pin and secure it inside. And then just for the final touch, you just pull on the ponytail from all the sides. So there you have it, the quickest and easiest high ponytail that you guys can recreate at home. So this hairstyle goes really well with the no makeup look, and in case you guys want to watch a video on that, just click on the link here. Now another question that I get asked a lot is, where do I find the inspiration to create all of these easy hairstyles and hair hacks? And honestly, I've been so passionate and I love hair so much that I always keep looking at trends and everything. I also love experimenting and creating easy hairstyles that I know will really help all the women out there as well. A person that I find inspiration from is Mimi Aiken. Now she is a YouTuber and a hairstylist as well, and that is where I got all of my inspiration to create my channel and also my hairstyles. So that's about it. We're done. I hope you all liked this video, and I hope this video has helped you achieve the perfect high ponytail. If there's any technique you guys use, please leave it down in the comment section below. I would love to know, and I'll try the same. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon so you get notified every time we release a new video on La Maison L'Oreal Paris. All product details will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And I'll see you guys very soon. Stay safe, take care, bye!